topic of this chapter is meter bridge. Meter bridge is basically practical application of Wheatstone bridge, with the help of which we determine unknown resistance, resistivity of the wire, and verify series and parallel combination. It is called meter bridge because its length is 1 meter. It is also called slide bridge because balance condition is obtained by sliding the jockey on the wire. Now, principle. The basic principle of meter bridge is Wheatstone bridge. This is the diagram of Wheatstone bridge. Under the balance condition, we obtain P by Q equal to R by S. This is the simple diagram of the meter bridge, in which this is a thick strip taken because R equal to rho L by A. R inversely proportional to A. In case of thick strip, area of cross section is more, hence the value of resistance is less. How we calculate in this case the value of unknown resistance, how we calculate resistivity of the wire, and also how we verify series and parallel combination. First of all, for calculating the value of unknown resistance, in the given diagram, this is your known resistance, this is your unknown resistance, this is galvanometer. Suppose that balance condition is obtained under this system at a length of L, then remaining length is equal to 100 minus L. Now, if no deflection is observed in galvanometer, this indicates the bridge is balanced. Suppose that balancing length is obtained in the given meter bridge at a length of L, hence remaining part of the length 100 minus L. Now, R by mathematical, we say that R by X is equal to L upon 100 minus L. The value of X, that is equal to, from mathematical calculation, 100 minus L by L into R. Such a way we calculate the value of unknown resistance. Now, my problem is how we calculate the value of resistivity of the wire. For calculating the resistivity of the wire, we know that R equal to rho L by A. In place of area of cross section, generally area of cross section of the wire is circular, hence this area of cross section transforming into diameter. Then in place of A, we write here pi d square by 4. Now our result, the value of rho is equal to R pi d square by L. Such a way we determine the value of resistivity of the wire. Okay. Now in this case, suppose that galvanometer and battery are interchanged. Galvanometer and battery are interchanged. How the balancing length affected? When galvanometer and battery are interchanged, the ratio are P by Q equal to R by S. There is no change in the balancing length. Result of that, there is no change in balancing length. Result of that, reading in galvanometer is equal to 0. Okay. Now in this case question again he writes, what is the nature of material of the wire AB? Nature of material of the wire is a standard resistor like manganese and cast iron. During flowing of the current, heating effect is observed. Result of that, the value of resistance change. Neglecting this effect, the heating effect, we say that wire is taken as a standard resistor. In the case of a standard resistor, the value of alpha is negligible, hence there is no change in resistance of the conductor.